In this video, how to continue using legacy Manifest v2 extensions in Google Chrome and macOS. As you can see, MV2 extensions are automatically disabled because Chrome no longer supports Manifest version 2 extensions starting from Chrome version 140. When trying to install an MV2 extension from the Chrome Web Store, the Add to Chrome button is grayed out and cannot be used. When sideloading extensions with developer mode, you will encounter the error cannot install because of unsupported Manifest version. However, you can still re-enable Manifest v2 until Chrome version 142. First, close all open Chrome windows. Next, search for and open the Script Editor app. Type this command in Script Editor. This will enable Manifest version 2 support when Chrome launches. Next, save the script as an application. Provide a desired name for the app, select a location to save it, and change the file format to application. From now on, you need to launch Chrome using the newly created app instead of the original one. When Chrome launches, extension Manifest v2 will be enabled automatically. As you can see, the MV2 extensions are re-enabled automatically. You might see a warning that the extension may soon no longer be supported, but for now, it still works. Additionally, using this method, you can install all MV2 extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store. Alternatively, if the first method doesn't work, you can try another method to enable Manifest v2 support in Google Chrome and then sideload extensions manually from source code or a zip file. To do this, open the Chrome Flags page. Search for M1 and enable all unexpired flags. Once enabled, relaunch Chrome to apply the changes. Next, search for MV2 and enable the Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Versions option. Relaunch Chrome one more time. Now, to install MV2 extensions, you need to download the source code for the required extensions. You can use an additional extension to download the zip file from the Chrome Web Store. For instance, I will use this extension. Once added, use the installed extension to download the zip file for the desired extension. Extract the downloaded zip file to a folder. Next, open the Extension Management page and enable Developer Mode. This mode allows you to install extensions from an unpacked folder instead of the Chrome Web Store. As you can see, the extension has been installed successfully. The downloader extension is no longer needed, so you can remove it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.